Hey everyone! Hope you're all having a tremendous day. And today we're going to talk about symptoms of a bad mass air flow (MAF) sensor. What is a MAF sensor? The purpose of a MAF sensor is to measure the amount of air entering your engine. Your car's engine control module, ECM, uses that data to calculate the ideal air-to-fuel ratio for combustion. You'll usually find the MAF sensor on the air intake system, right before the throttle body. Here's where the MAF sensor is located on a Nissan Sentra, a Volkswagen Passat. And here's another example from a different Volkswagen Passat. Not all vehicles use a MAF sensor. Some use a MAP sensor instead. Click the link at the top of the video to learn more about that. Symptom 1. Check engine light. The easiest way to detect a bad MAF sensor is when the check engine light turns on. Here are some common trouble codes related to a faulty MAF sensor. Insert code list here. You can read these codes at most auto parts stores. They usually do it for free. Or, if you want your own scanner, which is totally worth it, I've linked the one I use in the description below. Symptom 2. Engine won't start. If your MAF sensor is giving the ECM incorrect data, like telling it there's less air than there really is, the ECM responds by sending less fuel. In reality, there's more air coming in, but not enough fuel to match it. That causes a lean air/fuel mixture and leads to poor combustion, which can result in a no-start situation. Symptom 3. Rough idle. Does your car start inconsistently? Or maybe it shakes when you're stopped at a red light or stop sign? That could also be a sign of a faulty MAF sensor. Once again, if the ECM thinks there's less air than there is, it reduces fuel, leading to an unbalanced mixture. That creates poor combustion, potential misfires, and noticeable vibrations at idle. Symptom 4. Poor fuel economy. Now let's flip the situation. If the MAF sensor tells the ECM there's more air coming in, when there really isn't, the ECM sends more fuel than needed. That rich mixture means you're burning more fuel than necessary, which could explain why your fuel economy has taken a hit. Symptom 5. Black smoke from the exhaust. Continuing from the previous symptom, if there's too much fuel and not enough air, the excess fuel doesn't fully burn. Instead, it exits through the exhaust and burns off there, creating black smoke. This is a classic sign of a fuel-rich condition caused by a bad or dirty MAF sensor. Quick tip: try cleaning it first. Before you go out and buy a new sensor, try cleaning your MAF sensor first. Sometimes dirt or oil on the sensor wire is all it takes to throw off the readings. I've linked a recommended MAF sensor cleaner in the description below. If this video helped you out, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.